Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a playground mat. Alright, first thing you need to do is get yourself some twine. This is 100% cotton twine. It's very thin and it's number 12. Comes 420 feet for about $3. You're not going to need nowhere near 420 feet. Then afterwards you want to go ahead and cut yourself some the same length. So cut a whole bunch of them. Alright, lay them out. Tape the ends. After you do that, then you want to go ahead and add some crazy glue at the distance that you want it to be. And then press it down in there. And then add a little bit more crazy glue directly on the top. Alright, now it's going to stick to whatever you're doing it on, so make sure you lift it right back up before it sticks to it fully. Alright, and make sure you're not doing it on anything that's going to get damaged. Do the same thing all the way across. Alright, continue this process making little squares. So glue here, glue on top, hold them together all the way over, and go all the way down. Okay, so now you want to take a jump ring and you want to put it in here. Make sure you get all this twine curled back together. Then you want to fill it with crazy glue on there. Fill the other piece there. And then you want to take your pliers and hold them together. So that seals it. Alright, well, I didn't hold it fast enough, so I've got to add more. You want to do that to each of the corners. Put one here, and then one at the top, one at the bottom on each corner. So, here, 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 and then here, 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 here. Alright? And if you want to put it across the top on each one of these, you can, but I think when you do that, as long as you have it taut, it will be okay. Alright, and that's all it is to it, to making a rope wall. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and then if you want to see this, how it's going to get installed, then click the bell, because in the next video we will have it installed. Alright, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.